Hello, let's see today how we can easily create amplitudes in Abaqus user interface. So here in the model tree you can see this icon amplitudes. Let's right click and create. So here you can name your curve. Let's name it linear and use the first option, tabular. You can easily assign values here in the column of the time or frequency. Let's say that our time step has a duration of 1 second, and very easily you can create a linear amplitude. An amplitude has been created, and if you go here on the ribbon, plug in tools, amplitude plotter, you can plot the curve. You can see the linear curve with a magnitude of 1 and time step 1 second. So let's create another one. I usually use this option, smooth step. Let's name it smooth. And again, let's say now that the duration is 0.5, 0, 1. Let's again see the curve, and you can see again the magnitude, again the duration of the time step, and this is the smooth curve. You can also create something constant if you want. Let's say again 0, 1, and in the amplitude 1, 1. Oh, not this one, constant plot. You can see a constant curve. Also, you can import the values from an Excel sheet. You go here and click random, again tabular. Here you can insert rows or delete rows, and if you go here you can just copy cells from an Excel sheet and just paste them. And you can see the random curve here. Here is a random curve. So let's see how we can assign this amplitude. Let's create a part very easily. Let's create a road, and okay, let's leave it as it is. I don't like this view, and let's include it in an instance. Create a time step very quickly. Let's create a dynamic time step. We can change the time period 0.5. And now if you go to the loads, for example, and click create, we can okay, let's choose pressure. Click the surface, and here you can see that you can have the default option of instantaneous, assigning the value instantaneously, or you can choose among the amplitudes that we had created previously. So you can choose, for example, the random. You can put a value for a magnitude 1, or if you want to multiply the whole curve with another value, you can leave it as 5. And here is the load of the pressure that will not be constant during the analysis. So guys, thank you for watching.